All right, so today I am picking up my friend's 370Z. What up, man?
The fuck out of here.
Alright, so today I am picking up my friend's 370Z. He is about to go to California for a week and he's going to have it wrapped while he's gone. So he asked me if I could pick up his 370 and drop it off to the shop to go get it wrapped. I'm going to be doing some cinematic videos of that as well. But he told me I could just pick up the car and kind of drive it for a few days. And then on, I believe it's Wednesday or Thursday, I'm going to taking it to a wrap shop in Grand Junction, Colorado. And they're going to go ahead and wrap it. But this is the car here. It's a 2009 370Z with 34,000 miles on it. It's the Sport Touring. So it has the leather seats in it. It's got the bigger brakes up front. But it is making me miss my Z so much. I'm not even gonna lie. And then this is Anthony's Genesis.
That's me.
It's the 3.8 Grand Touring.
Oh, get caught,
And it's
nerd.
locked. But I think he's had this for like 2 years?
Almost two.
Almost 2 years. It's a 2011 and he bought it with 38,000 miles on it.
It's now got 61.
But yeah, he told me while I have this car for the next couple of days to have some fun with it. I'm going to do a few things for him. I'm just going to do it for like a full detail and stuff. And then he's got a few little things that he would like addressed. This fender well right here needs to get tucked back underneath, and so I'm going to do that for him. And then just a few other little things he wants me to check. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to release the color that he's going with yet. It's a pretty big change, but I'll definitely make a video on a before and after of the color change. So his plans for this car are bags, wheels, and wrap for now. And then he wants to do some power adders, but he doesn't know if he wants to spend the money on a turbo or a supercharger yet. So he's just going to do looks for a little bit. And then that's pretty much it. I think he's only had the car for about 2 months, so he's kind of just still feeling everything out. But yeah, it should be a lot of fun for the next couple of days. I wish I would have brought my GoPro head mount because, whoa, I thought this car had hill assist, maybe not. I wish I would have brought my GoPro head mount because then I could just film and not have to hold the camera, but I figured I'd just do a little drive with it for a minute, kind of do like a little bit of a review on it. This is the first 370Z I've really ever drove. I've never driven a 370Z before. I've drove a bunch of 350s, but never a 370, so it's been kind of cool getting used to another car. I mean, it's so similar to a 350Z, but there's subtle differences that you wouldn't really think of. These cars feel a lot tighter, that's for sure. Their suspension and everything feels much better. Obviously, their interiors are a little bit different. They're the same design, like layout, not design, same layout as a 350, but I think these ones are a lot nicer looking. They're just obviously a lot newer, so. But I've been thinking about getting a 370 for a while, so I'm pretty excited to drive this one for the next couple of days and see if I really like it. I've been tossing around 370, 350 again, or a 300ZX, so we'll see what I end up getting. But these are definitely not a bad option, especially considering, I mean, one of the things I'm kind of worried about is reliability. And if I got a 370, I wouldn't really have to worry about that just because I'd get a lower mileage one. I'd be able to just cruise with it and have fun, be able to take it on road trips and everything, not have to worry about it all the time. But I'm such a big fan of the 300ZX that I feel like I would still wish I would have gotten one instead. So, I don't know. But so far this car is really nice. I actually do like these seats. I didn't like this color at first, but I do like it now. It kind of grew on me a little bit. But the steering feels super tight, like it's super tight. Suspension feels good. The whole car just overall just feels really good. It has an exhaust on it, but he's not too sure what it is. The previous owner put it on, and it sounds okay. On idle, I don't really like it, but it sounds all right when you let it rip. But and then the automatic rev matching is actually kind of nice. have him drive to go pick it up, but we're gonna have some fun with it on the way back. Taking this car on back roads is so much fun. This steering is just so good. You can literally just do this all one-handed, and it's great. Like, I'm not pushing the car at all. Like, I'm just nice cruising speed and just taking these corners like nothing. It's been great. I absolutely love the way these cars handle. It just takes these corners just so well. It's literally like effortless. Like, it just, the steering tightens up and it just makes it wonderful to drive. Oh, we just caught up to another car, sadly. All right, so just got off work. Currently dropping the car off to get it wrapped. I think it'll be about a week or so before it'll get done. They still need order material, so I'm gonna just give them extra time to get everything 100% on. Let's see what else do I need. Dope SZ here too. I've never seen your car up this close. Like, I've seen pictures of it and stuff. I follow you on Instagram, but
Oh yeah.
damn, that's crazy. His wing is huge. That's badass.
Alright, dude. Well,
Cool. Sounds
you
good.
can take some more clips inside and
Okay, yeah, I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Wasn't sure if you were okay with just.
I know, I did the same thing. That's why I was filming myself wrapping this.
I like your lounge area, it's pretty sweet.
Dude, it's so nice.
It's so nice. I'll probably bring in my, well, I normally do like cinematic type stuff. I have my drone and I just hold it in my hand because it has a gimbal on it already. So I'll probably bring that in tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah. I got my drone over there came with like the handheld gimbal with it.
Oh, really?
And it's so.
Back at the wrap shop for the last time. They just finished the car today. So me and my friend are picking it up tonight. I want to do some video shoots. I don't know if I'm going to do a video shoot of it tonight. I don't know why my lights just turned on. I don't know if I'm going to do a video shoot of it tonight or tomorrow. Hopefully he'll come back into town tomorrow so I can do a shoot. But let's go check it out.
Me? Oh yeah.
Nice to meet you. You brought the whole squad.
Oh yeah.
What's up, bro? Excited?
Yeah. Sorry, just kind of rolled up on him.
That's real nice.
That's fucking dope.
That's real nice.
I'll stop this.
I just got back home. Forgot to update while I was at the shop, but car looks fucking sick. Like, it looks so good. I've been always kind of skeptical of wrapping a car, like having a car wrapped, only because it's hard to find someone that you can trust. But luckily, NT Wraps, they do a really fucking good job. Nick fucking kills it on wraps. So my next car, I'm definitely gonna have wrapped eventually. It's just, I've never had a car with like perfect or even like clean paint, so it's gonna be so sick to have it. So definitely in the future, gonna go have my car wrapped there as well. But that was freaking sick. Love the car, super cool people, just all around badass experience. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, always like, comment, subscribe, and then if you want to see more of this, let me know, because he's one of my friends that owns that white 370 now, and I can always do videos of it and stuff. I think tomorrow we're gonna go do a photo shoot, a little video shoot, so I'll probably upload that video as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.